Formula One cars are incredible feats of engineering. At the heart of these beasts lies the engine, a symphony of controlled explosions that propels these cars to speeds that defy belief. We're talking about a 1.6-litre V6 engine, that's right. Just 1.6 litres. Don't let the size fool you, though. This little monster can scream to a mind-blowing 15,000 RPM, generating over 700 horsepower. The engine block and its internals are crafted from exotic materials. Think titanium and aluminum alloys. These materials offer incredible strength while being incredibly lightweight. It's like building a racehorse that can withstand the forces of a charging rhinoceros. And then there's the noise. Oh, the noise. It's a high-pitched wail, a mechanical shriek that sends shivers down your spine and makes the hairs on your arms stand on end. It's the sound of raw power, of pushing the limits of what's possible. If you ever get the chance to hear an F1 car in person, do it. Your ears will thank you. Now, you might be wondering how on earth such a small engine can produce so much power. The answer, my friends, is turbocharging. Imagine forcing a hurricane's worth of air into that tiny 1.6-litre engine. That's what a turbocharger does. It's a bit like giving a sprinter an extra lung or two. This forced induction is the key to the engine's incredible performance. It crams more air into the combustion chamber, allowing more fuel to be burned and thus more power to be produced. But it's not just about brute force. The turbocharger itself is a marvel of engineering. It spins at insane speeds, upwards of 100,000 RPM, to compress the air and force-feed the engine. All this creates a lot of heat, which is where the intercooler comes in. It cools down the compressed air before it enters the engine, making it denser and even more potent. It's a delicate dance between power and efficiency, and it's what makes these engines so special. Of course, all that air needs something to ignite. That's where the fuel injection system comes in. We're not talking about your grandpa's carburetor here. This is a high-tech system that sprays fuel directly into the combustion chamber at pressures high enough to make a water jet cutter blush. We're talking about pressures up to 500 bar. That's like squeezing the entire weight of a double-decker bus onto the head of a pin. This precise control over the fuel-air mixture ensures that every last drop of fuel is burned efficiently, maximizing power and minimizing waste. It's a delicate balance, like trying to thread a needle while riding a roller coaster. Too much fuel, and you get a rich mixture, wasting fuel and potentially damaging the engine. Too little, and you get a lean mixture, leading to poor performance and potential engine damage. The fuel injection system in an F1 car walks this tightrope with incredible precision. But the story doesn't end there. Formula One is not just about brute power, it's about efficiency too. That's where the hybrid system comes in. These cars are not just powered by petrol, they're also partially electric. They have an electric motor called the MGU-K, which recovers energy during braking and stores it in a battery. This stored energy can then be deployed to give the car an extra boost of power, making it even faster on the straights. It's like having nitrous, but instead of refilling it at the pit stop, you generate it as you race. And then there's the MGU-H, which recovers heat energy from the turbocharger and converts it into electrical energy. This not only improves fuel efficiency, but also reduces turbo lag, making the car even more responsive. Formula One engines are at the forefront of hybrid technology, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're not just marvels of engineering, they're glimpses into the future of automotive technology.